Today we're diving into Bitget, a crypto exchange that claims to offer a seamless trading experience. But with so many platforms out there, is Bitget really worth your time and money? Let's find out. Bitget positions itself as a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange catering to both beginners and experienced traders. The platform offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, derivatives, and futures, which is a big draw for those looking to diversify their trading strategies. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively easy to navigate even for newcomers. One standout feature is their copy trading option, which allows users to mimic the trades of successful traders. This could be a game changer for those who are just starting out or who may not have the time to research every market movement. However, I noticed that there's limited information on the fees associated with trading, which can be a deal breaker for some users. The platform also supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, but it's worth questioning whether they offer enough liquidity for some of the more niche offerings. Overall, while Bitget has a lot going for it, some areas still feel a bit vague. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Bitget offers a user-friendly interface and unique features like copy trading, which could be appealing for less experienced users. The wide range of cryptocurrencies is also a plus. However, there are some significant downsides. For one, the lack of transparency regarding fees can create confusion and frustration. Additionally, while the platform claims to be secure, it's always wise to be cautious when dealing with exchanges, especially given the number of hacks in the crypto space. Some users may find the selection of trading tools a bit limited compared to other platforms. If you're a serious trader looking for advanced charting tools, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Bitget may be a good option for casual traders and beginners looking to explore the crypto market, especially with its copy trading feature. However, those seeking more advanced tools or transparent fee structures might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but approach with caution.